Kawai ni ke school ba ka tip kum ke University of Science and Technology ne ke USTM kala le burom kerpang ban pensai kan nam bat ke burom jong Dr. Didi Lepang ubadairu menteri rang ba barim ke jela bondong ai boy ke sarkar jela da ka ai kerteng kerpang ya ke blok kum ke Dr. Didi Lepang blok ya kan ke yeng lapan songkun ya ka da jing pilihi da Dr. Didi Lepang haka arpo trik unai tung ahja fulai haka jing don lang jong vice chancellor ke USTM ki wei pat ki blasak hilang ki kentup yo ba don lang soklet vice man jong ke Meghalaya Resources Employment Generation Council bat uba arbi sadap presiden jong ke boy dorbar bat ki wei ki rong ba aba keren si ke samla pule jong ke di school ba Dr. Didi Lepang lapan pau jing don kam jong ke pule puthi ka jingwat benia bat ka kamram jong ki jaka pule kum ke USTM ki ma ajing start halal kala wei jong ke samla pule Susu Dr. Didi Lepang pun pau jing so kemen bakari ke school ba akan mau kerpang ya ulai tu uru bakal jingajan ke jung bakari ke school ba kalong bakal senyang ya ke jing start se ke samla jong ke ka thanjri bhai ke jela bat kumju ya kari bro ko wei ulong ru bakari ke school ba kala khring ya sibun ke samla pule na ki wei ki jela ba na ki wei kiri panwan pule ha kan ke jaka
I personally consider him a great academician because whenever he delivered a speech in his campus, always I found him as a great teacher. He never spoke about any political kind of agenda, but always did something with a kind of mainstream issues and especially for the motivation of the teaching and learning community. He is a person not very much healthy, very senior man, but still he never forget to call us and ask what is happening in the university. What kind of progress is going on? Mr. Hawk, has there any progress with you? Are you facing any problems? Tell me. And always, if he is speaking for 2 minutes, 1 minute only he prays for us. A whole statement which is always blessings to us and great for Almighty. This is his personality. I don't think that with this kind of health, nobody will be busy anywhere. They will take rest. But from last few months, continuously we are in touch, and he is trying to come at least once in this campus. I am very honest with him. That such a senior man and from political fraternity, but with the affection of the additional education. Rarely you will find. Nobody will express any interest to visit the educational institution unless you are not invited. But here, without my invitation, it is only mutually we have fixed a but it is his interest, it was his interest to come and see the progress of this institution.
Before I start about the background of this area, I would like to tell you, there was a time where I happened to be the representative of this area as an MLA. I won the election 8 times, and one of the time, the portion of this killing has been a very deserted village where no one recognizing existence at all. But it so happened at that time, today, you can see here that this area has been transformed, this barren land, into a very difficult, a very special, acceptable, and also acceptable to all about the crisis and land that have faced the people. And it become no longer a barren land, but a land where we have to become the educational hub of the area. Well, the hub, you are a man who has taken me, I met you first, and I meet you always, and I only gain experience, I gain encouragement, I gain friendship whenever I met with you. And I remember the day when this place is a barren land, and today there was a man at a time who have got vision, determination, ambition in life, and that is in the image of Mr. Haq and the associate. Now you see, Dr. J.D. Sharma, Vice Chancellor, USCI, come here in 2020. And when he come here, the USCI come here about 11 years ago and has grown very fast and has grown to the height of it where every report is visible about the height and fame and the vision and determination of this compass here. Now, I have got every reason to be proud that this portion of this belongs to Ripoy, in a very deep corner here, but from here, the banner has rise to the height where the people could see, even the international foreigners recognize that it exists something somewhere in this area has come to the limelight. ERDF is the main agency where this forum, they call it the many departments and all, the educational, research and development, and all associated along with them, people like this Professor D. Sharma and others. I accomplished of being the president of the Association of Indian University, this training of leadership and got the quality of leadership from this area. Well, we are very glad that under the leadership of the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor of the university is a fast-growing private university in the state and in the region of the area. Now, we also got this chance to be with you, to have to interact with you for a few minutes. Yes, I have not crossed 90 years now. I am very old, is retiring. And the same will allow me to speak by sitting also. But at the same time, I would like to say that as long as I live, I survive, I will not forget the footprints and the footprints, the sands of time that is remain here for all time to come.